has driving skills. And off we go, you guys. What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, man, and I don't know if you can see, but we are at mass acceleration again, you guys. I got something special. We're going to be discussing a lot with my guy G. You can see the beast is here getting some work done. I decided to stay with the car to kind of walk you through everything that's going to get done, but I'm going to keep it a secret for right now. You'll see here shortly, alright? But before anything, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, because everything 1320 happens on this channel, right? Car mods, car meets, drag racing, all of that good stuff, right? Now, the biggest thing is, if you watched my previous video about CMPD, man, Charlotte has really cut down on a lot of things when it comes to car meets, whatever you want to call it, right? You know, and like I said, I don't really participate in that, but make sure you watch my previous video and check out all of that content to let me know what you think, because I'm down to have any type of convo in the comments, you guys. But other than that, if you need anything done to your car, this is the best place to go to. Alright, mass acceleration is it when it comes to Mopar performance. Alright, and make sure you reach out to my guy G. John does a crazy tune. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys see their info. Alright, you got 828-548-0432. Max acceleration. Hit my guy G up.
It don't normally take him on the fire.
Alright, guys. Here's the secret. We have new things coming in today, guys. New items coming in from LMI. Alright, Pressure's gonna go crazy. This is gonna wake my car up like it's nothing. I just hit my camera. Gonna wake the car up. Alright, this is a fully carbon fiber. I don't know if you can see in the sun. Fully carbon fiber tube to help wake this car up, you guys. And I'll tell you exactly what it is here shortly. But I wanted you guys to see how it came packaged beforehand, man. This thing is gonna be super crazy. I can't wait for them to put it on. Again, shout out to mass acceleration. I hope you guys can see it on camera, man, but that carbon fiber is crazy. And yes, it is real carbon fiber, right?
I bet you were like, why is that police department letter up?
Yeah. You guys can see what's going on. You guys can see what's going on. We're getting close. Getting close, man. I can't wait for you guys to see what it looks like on. Then we'll do some rear end stuff. That's gonna be another video. But you can see everything is going out of here, man. Everything is going. Alright, you guys. Alright, you guys, let's talk about it, man. But before anything, check out this red eye, you guys. Like this red eye, this white with the satin black rims is crazy. We just did a tune, all that good stuff to it. But let's talk about what is going on right now. I am getting a new intake, all right, for the car, right? If you guys know, originally I had a Hellcat lower air box with an intake tube and a high flow filter, and it worked, you know, fairly well. But it was time for me to take it a step up and go a custom, you know, air intake, things of that nature. Because when it's time to add a little bit more to the car needs to be able to basically take in more air a little bit more efficiently, right? Now, that's not to say that the Hellcat lower air box isn't bad. Like, that is one of the best setups that you can have for your Scat Pack, Hellcat, whatever, right? But again, since I'm going to be adding power to the car, you know, I want as much airflow through the engine as possible with the least amount of restriction, right? And if you know, that tube that's on the stock 392s is very, very restrictive. So we're switching that up. I'll kind of show you guys what it's going to look like. We're going to go with different filters in different areas for the car. But I wanted to do how to install, right? But there's so many how to install videos on the Legmaker intakes that I was like, you know what, I'm just going to kind of skip that. You guys can look up on another video on how to install, but I wanted you guys to see and keep you updated on what's going on tutorial, what's going on for the beast, man. And best thing I can tell you is we're going down to the drag strip this Thursday, so we're going to see how it runs. Supposedly it's supposed to be run a little bit better. All these places that say, oh, you're going to get 20 horsepower with the intake, that's total a lie, right? With this intake, you'll probably get about a 5 to 9 horsepower increase. That's a max, right? That's, you know, you may see a little bit of a little bit of jump as far as low end, you know, things of that nature. But other than that, you're not going to see much. It's definitely one of those things that you need to add more of a ported throttle body, manifolds, you know, really add power to the car. But I want you to see one of my, I guess you could say one of the people I look up to is actually here with his 426 Hemi. All right, if you don't know what a 426 is, that is one of the hardest engines to get a hold of. It is one of the biggest engines that Dodge sells, and that is exactly what we celebrate on 426's Hemi Day. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the car. It's actually wrapped up, so I'm not going to show you too much. His name is Mike. He's got a few cars, actually. He's got a Trackhawk. Has this 426, has a gray red eye with the carbon fiber hood. If you've seen any of my Jack Swags videos, he has been there. But yeah, I want to show you what it looks like. He actually has these stock tires on it. I want to say drag race, but he may have taken their red eye. But let's take a look at it. Alright, you guys, that is the 426. The 426. Alright, on Nittos. Alright, the white and black. I'm not going to show too much because I don't know what's getting done to it. And again, you can see the red eye, and that thing looks super crazy. But let's see what's going on in here, you guys. Oh yeah, I definitely couldn't have done that by myself. That's rough. Yeah. Options. Alright YouTube, I finally got out of mass acceleration, you guys, and finally got some time to actually not only clean the engine bay, alright, to get the car clean enough to go to a show, etc. So I didn't want to show you guys what the final product looked like until the actual engine bay was clean. I'm super OCD about that, but yeah, I'm going to show you the intake that I just had mass acceleration do. Obviously through the video you just saw that, but let's take a look at it, you guys. So it is a full carbon fiber true cold air intake that drops down into my actual wheel well, you guys. So what happens is, obviously I know my fender's in the way, right? But inside of this fender well right here, alright, sits the actual filters, etc. that are sitting there, and it actually helps not only airflow, etc., because this is all a 4-inch tube that goes into the throttle body, but it actually helps the ambient temperatures, you guys. Like right now, even if I'm sitting at a red light for 4 or 5 minutes or so, it still keeps the temperature at plus or minus 1 degree on the outside temperature, right? And of course, so I am super happy with it. And there's definitely a little bit of a gain or feel on the low end, right? Or, you know, right at the beginning, I can feel a little bit more of a oomph, right? Especially on takeoff. So what I'm gonna do is, wow, you guys, I just realized I'm sick. On video, you guys, check this out. Wow, I just messed up my wrap. Jeremy, if you're watching this, I'm about to come get it redone. That's terrible. Anyways, like I said, Jeremy, I'm on my way. But it definitely helps with the ambient temperatures. Now, I did have it installed by a actual company, Mass Acceleration, again, because you actually do have to cut into the car, right? So if you get this and think you're about to do this at home, don't even try it, man. You're gonna mess it up anyway, unless you know exactly what you're doing, right? Because again, you do have to cut some metal off to make this actually function correctly, right? And I have to check it every 10,000 miles or so, and I definitely don't want to drive it a lot in the rain, because if I don't have my mask on, water's gonna shoot through the grill right into the actual filter. But yeah, man, overall, I am super happy with this, man. This thing looks crazy. And it kind of fits with my carbon fiber details here, that you can see. I'm thinking about going carbon fiber here, and then doing the carbon fiber heat shield that goes along the back end, man. You guys let me know what you think. But yeah, shout out to Legmaker Intakes. They did a crazy good job on this, man. And shout out to G and of course Mass Acceleration for helping me out. And I didn't even have to retune the car or anything like that to put this on. So that's another plus. But outside of that, alright you guys, we're gonna get some pulls in. And outside of that, you guys, I'm gonna go do some pulls right quick and let you guys see it. You're not really gonna be able to feel it because you're not in the car, but it's always nice to see a little pull inside the car. Gonna have to pick and choose wisely. Charlotte is getting a little crazy out here, man. But yeah, man, again, shout out to Mass Acceleration. Go to them for all your performance needs, man. But before anything, again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about it. Again, there's a lot of install videos, so I decided not to do an install video. But that's a wrap.